I have a 1989 Baja 196 Sunsport, 19.5 feet. This boat has an open bow, seating on each side, storage underneath each seat. Has a igloo cooler built into the boat for all your drinks and snacks. And then you have 2 bucket seats, a glove box. It's got a stereo, rear bench seat with storage underneath the bench. On each side you have a cup holder with interior lighting. Boat has a 350 Mercruiser Magnum. It's been modified with Edelbrock power package. This power package includes Edelbrock cam, aluminum cylinder heads, aluminum intake, and a Edelbrock 750 CFM carburetor, Edelbrock aluminum water pump, and it also has roller rockers in it. So it's a nice running boat. She'll easily do 65 miles an hour, and I've actually had doing 55 miles an hour with 7 people in the boat. So it moves along nice. It's a great family ski boat. Has a nice sun deck on the back. You can actually lay 2 people in the boat. Can lay right on the sun deck and relax. There's a ski eye on the back for hooking your ski rope to. A swim up a ladder to climb into the boat. Has a Alpha 1 outdrive, Mercruiser Mirage Plus stainless steel prop, 21 pitch. Custom Eagle tandem axle trailer. The trailer is newer than the boat. The old trailer was replaced with this trailer. It's custom fit to this boat. So you can see it's in really nice shape for 1989. It's been well maintained. It's a one-owner boat. Thanks for viewing my video. Have a great day.